Local market is finally open in Cebu. Hey guys, it's almost weekend and you should include this in your weekend laag. This newly opened pop-up bazaar is finally open to the public and they are open from October 16 until October 19, 2025. Guys, this is the perfect time na atong suportahan ato ang kapwa Sugbuanon sa ilang mga negosyo. Daghan kayo na maligya diri and for sure malingaw dyan ang imong friends, barkada o ang imong pamilya. Let's support our local entrepreneurs by visiting local market and for sure, makapalit dyan mong ahad. Ug mabudol pod kay daghan kaayong baligya. And kung naay bazaar, di dyan mo wala na walay pagkaon. So di maguol guys, kay dagang pagkaon ang namaligya sa local market. And of course, we've got to try some of the foods here sa local market. Nag-order ko og cake sa Sweet Treats by Vanessa, coffee sa Casa Brew, and of course, lechon na super ka-affordable. So first, atong gitry ang Emmanuel's Lechon de Cebu. Barato rin lang lechon guys and I would rate this 7.5 over 10. Next is sea salt coffee sa Casa Brew. And mo din nilang menu guys. And this is my first time trying sea salt and I would rate this 7 over 10. Next is kaning cake sa Sweet Treats by Vanessa. Mo niya akong pinaka-fave and surprisingly, the cake was really good. And I would rate this 10 over 10. And kay giuhaw man ta, try this lemonade juice sa lemon sa kanto na grabe ka refreshing. And lastly, kaning chocolate chip cookie sa K-Sweet Creations. And I would rate this 9 over 10. It was chewy and gooey and sakto rang sweetness. Plus, napadya pa acoustic band diri sa local market. So what are you waiting for? Visit local market and salamat sa pagtanaw.